Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faiz Najimuddin bin Umar Zakri. So, to this project, we made a BMI application. What is BMI? BMI is body mass index. Body mass index was recognized by World Health Organization. So, what is the function of application BMI? BMI allow one to identify the current state, such as whether they are underweight, healthy, overweight, or obese. In this program, or in this project, we will calculate BMI using C and Java language, which means two types of different language, but the function is the same. Adult men and women can use the body mass index BMI, a measure of body fat based on height and weight.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hakimi bin Sansuri. My student ID is 2020848198. So today, I want to show you our coding in C. And the first thing we do is we put the welcome to BMI calculator application message. And then char name 20, in age, float, height and weight. Then we ask the user to enter their information such as name, age, height in meter and weight in kilogram. And then we put the BMI formula, which is weight divided by height square. After that, we show the result of their BMI and we show their information such as using information like name, age, height in meter, weight in kilogram and their BMI. So for their height, weight and BMI, we make the output in 2 decimal places. And after that, for the if statement, we want to determine whether their BMI is underweight, healthy, overweight or obese. So now I will show you the example of our program. So first we need to enter our name, then our age, then our height in meter and weight in kilogram. Then just click enter. Then our information will be displayed, which is Abu, age 20, height 1.7 meter, weight 70 kilogram and BMI 24.22. And our BMI is healthy. I think that's it for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amirul Hafizi bin Razali. My student number is 2020-44-452. So now I will show the Java code that we use to make a BMI calculator. First, we use public class calculate BMI, and it consists of 4 object attribute, which are string name, age, double height, and double weight. And this is the constructor. We use name equal to n, age equal to a, height equal to h, weight equal to w. And for the getters, we use public get name, public int get age, public double get height, public double get weight. And lastly, it will show you the name, age, height, and weight. And for the demonstration, I will show you based on this code. It will display. First, it will show a message welcome to BMI calculator application. And first you have to input your name and your age and also your height in meter, and your weight in kilogram. And it will display about your information. So for the detail that you have input, your BMI is 20.76, so it is healthy.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Naki Bernazani. My student ID is 2020706098. Okay, today I want to talk about similarities and difference between C and the Java. Okay, the similarities between them is, firstly, is the main similarity between those is that C and the Java are both imperative language. Okay, the second one is Java and C same syntax operation. Okay, the third one is Java is the one of a number of language that inherit C straightforward, clean and friendly, elegant syntax. Okay, the last one is language construct like variable, functors, keywords, data type, function, control statement are present in the both of them. Okay, next I want to talk about difference between them. Okay, C was developed by Dennis M. Ritchie between 1969 and 1973. When the Java was developed by James Gosling in 1995. Okay. The second one is C is a procedural programming language. Meanwhile, Java is a object-oriented language. Okay. Third one is C is a middle level language because building of the gaps take place between missing level language and high level language. When the Java is a high level language because translation of code take place into missing language using compiler or interpreter. Okay. Next is C do not support OOP concept, but Java support that. Okay. Next, C support preprocessor. Meanwhile, Java not support that. Also, next, the memory allocation can be done by malloc in C. Meanwhile, in Java, memory allocation can be done by a new keyword. The last one is C is a compiled language that is convert the code into machine language so that it could be understood by the machine or system. Meanwhile, Java is an interpreted language that in its Java, the code is first transformed into the bytecode, and the bytecode is then executed by JVM, which means is a Java virtual machine. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Last but not least, we go through to conclusion. The conclusion is this study was conducted to examine the body image perception and body weight certification among teenagers in relation to their body mass trend. We as a group provide this BMI application aims to make the society feel easier to calculate their own BMI and can classify the BMI reading as normal or abnormal. As we know, Malaysia one of the country that have a lot of case which is obesity. So when they get the data of BMI, they can classify the class whether is normal or abnormal. So the purpose of the application that can help Malaysia deal with the problem of obesity in Malaysia as soon as it make Malaysia a healthy country. So in a society in Malaysia can use any application which is Java or C to calculate their BMI. Thank you.